Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to record. Open Capcut and load the clip you'll narrate. Make sure you've granted microphone permission so the app can capture sound. Once done, pick your input, internal mic or an external USB/Lightning mic for clearer audio. Move the playhead to where you want the voice to start, then tap the record button on the timeline. Keep a consistent distance from the mic and speak clearly. This first take establishes tone and timing for everything that follows. Once you've recorded, switch to waveform view so you can see where words line up with action. This visual guide makes syncing fast. If a line is off, trim the start or split and delete the bad section, then re-record only that piece. This saves time. You can also apply quick effects like noise reduction or an EQ preset to reduce hiss and brighten speech. Make small volume adjustments and add fades so transitions feel natural and the voice sits well over background audio. Before you export, do a full playback and set the master volume so the voice stays prominent without clipping. Once satisfied, export using your target resolution and audio quality settings. Save a project backup or export only the audio if you may reuse it later. If the mic isn't detected, stop and check app permissions, unplug and reconnect any external mic, then restart Capcut. Updating the app or testing the mic in another app. Quickly isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.